Selamat Hari Raya, guys! Just a quick update of my car. I've decided to continue painting at the same body workshop for my E36, and I am painting it titanium silver. So it is the same color, I should say the same shade of color, the same type of color, silver, but it's going to be a lighter silver this time. That is on the E46 and the E39. Alright, well, today is the Raya day. I'm here to greet some of my friends that also come from the E36 group and look at the fun things they are doing with their cars. Banyak asap, man. Hey, first time I see your car. Oh, the bubble. Wow, I don't know which to look, man. My attention is really divided. This is my friend's car. His name is Muiz. It's Nado Grey E36. Oh, merecek manual lagi. M50 manual. Oh, look at that. Got clutch in the car. This guy is prepared. Muiz, do you well? Do you well? Not yet. Open diff lah. Muiz, your car so loud. Is it on straight pipe?
Yeah, straight pipe.
Oh, okay. Let me tell you, I'm really missing my E36, man. I think after I got my car repainted, then it's really time to bring it out to flex its muscles. The engine hasn't been driven hard for so long, since February. Oh well, Selamat Hari Raya to all of you that are celebrating, and take care. Bye bye.